Our fourth unit is deadlock. Some of the points we have already seen, but again we'll start from the deadlock. What is deadlock? A deadlock means a set of processes each holding resources and waiting to acquire the resources held by other processes in the set. It's called the deadlock. Suppose if process is holding some resources and another again there is one process, it is also holding another resources, but still that process, suppose process 1 and process 2, process 1 is waiting to hold the resources which is already acquired by the process T. If such a type of a situation is there, then deadlock is occur. Then what is system models? System model consists of finite number of resources to be distributed among the number of computing processes. If there are the resources like R1, R2, R3 up to the Rn, the resources are nothing but the suppose CPU cycle, memory spaces, files, input output devices, that are the resources. Process can utilize the resources in only of the following sequences. That sequence may be first request, second use, third release. Request means process can request the resources which is held by the another processes. If that requests are immediately granted, then and then that resources are allocated to process, but the resources are not allocated to the requested process, then that process must be wait until the resources are allocated to that processes. Uses means the process can operate on the resources, means the process can use that resources. This is nothing but the use. And release means after finishing the task of that processes, that resources must be released or free by that processes itself only.